This very chair. That's where I've cut hair. That's where I retired from seeing clients. I've had celebrities in that chair. I've had high level executives. And the one thing that I have learned about haircutting is that consistency is key. Now, I'm really targeting hair professionals here, whether you're a hairstylist, whether you're a barber, and you may be having challenges with doing haircuts, the actual haircut execution, the skill of it. And there's a lot of ongoing education out there. But I will tell you this, and I've seen this firsthand. Have you ever felt intimidated, confused, because you're seeing things look a little too perfect? 45 minutes to take one section of hair, people doing handstands. You think you're watching Cirque du Soleil to take one section of hair before you even cut it. I understand. There's a whole niche going on with that of looking as pretty as you can when cutting hair, using really really fancy terminology and verbiage. I get it. As someone who's worked for two major beauty companies such as L'Oreal and Paul Mitchell earlier in my career, I've learned the art of communication. How do I convey information? And that is why you probably watch me here, because of how I convey my information for tutorials and layering and all these crazy things that I've done over the years. 19 years. I've over 4,000 videos here on YouTube. 19 years ago is when I started creating content, and I've been in the hair industry for over 30 years. I've seen the shift from how education went from being very simple, being very easy to understand, not complicated, not using hair clips, just moving hair, just all about a really simple format, to it getting so complicated and somewhat mechanical to the point where it's like you end up investing in some sort of course, some class, you take hands-on education, and you feel more confused when you leave and you go back and you go, wait, that guy, the way he was standing on his head doing a section, I don't know if I can do that. Like, wait, what did he do again? Like, it's so confusing and intimidating that you lose your whole train of thought. You lose the knowledge that you had spent all this money on. So over the years, what I've done is I've actually created my own way of cutting based off of my education that I've taken throughout, going to Vidal Sassoon in London, training with Jacques Desage in Manhattan and New York City, and just the countless hours of haircutting training that I've done through various means. I applied my own method that made sense for me when cutting hair. And that is what I want to present to you today. And I'm so excited about this. But I've created something called the TCS method, top, corners, and sides. Now, if you watch my haircut videos, and I say this, and I've been saying this for years, is that when you're cutting hair, you've got, the top, the corners, aka the top of the head, the corners, and the sides. I'm sorry, I'm a bad hair model, but you got the top, corners, and sides. The top is everything is out from the head. The corners is where it rounds, and then the true sides and through down and through here. Hair grows out from the head, not up. Only one part in the top of the head, the flattest part right back here, is where the hair grows up. Everything else then creates its own pattern out from the scalp, which typically goes out from the head. So I created this method for myself to make things so much easier for me to cut the hair the same way, top, corners, and sides. And how I do that is all in this amazing new digital course that I made for hair professionals. Now, if you're not a hair professional, you can still watch this and learn my method, because I know a lot of you who are consumers watch my content. You try to cut your hair yourself, whatever it is. But if you're a hair professional, whether you're in cosmetology school, whether you've been cutting hair for 15 years and you feel like you're lost sometimes, you want to have better, your layers aren't coming out the right way when you're doing men's haircuts or women's haircuts. Well, I created a course, a digital course that you can watch. It's only $147. That's it. And I do a men's haircut showing my TCS method, and a full women's layered haircut, my signature money haircuts that literally have made me so much money as a hair professional because of doing consistent work. It's all there for you. Tens upon tens, probably hundreds of thousands of dollars of investing in myself to learn, to advance, to do things. The clients that I've built up over the years, this is all what has gotten me that success. I'm sharing it with you in this course. If you are in cosmetology school, you want to learn this as soon as you possibly can, because it's going to allow you to be way ahead of the game with other people who are graduating your class. You can literally graduate beauty school, go, and if you learn this and you practice it and you have it down, you can literally be cutting hair better than people that have been doing hair for 15, 20, 30 years. I know for a fact because I've trained people who have been doing hair for that long. And the things that I see from them blow my mind, that they've been doing it that way wrong for so many years. And I'm just like, wow, this is why a lot of people who watch my videos ask me, why can't people cut hair like you? I don't know. I mean, there's obviously a lot of talented people out there, but there's also a lot of not so talented people. It's like that with any trade. You can have a great landscaper or a bad landscaper. You know what I mean? You could really, really have a mix of all these things. So that's what this is, the TCS Top Corners Sides Method. It's now available as a course that you can purchase. The link is going to be in the description, also a card up top here. I'm telling you, this is like the blueprint. If you want to cut hair better, not to say that everyone else is awful at cutting hair, because obviously there's so much education, but I am telling you, as somebody who has invested 19 years of putting out free videos for all of you and I was one of the first people on YouTube in the industry to do this. I'm telling you, I wish I knew this method of cutting years and years and years and years ago. What's contributed to my success, raising my prices, clients coming back 4 weeks, 5 weeks, a month and a half later, and their haircuts still look good. I'm telling you, this is the haircut method that gets people to want to pay for haircuts. You can raise your prices with this. I wouldn't waste my time. I wouldn't waste your time, your money. I'm telling you, I'm just so happy that I can finally have something to share with all of you in a condensed format, and it's a really, really great value. So I appreciate all of your support. It would mean a lot to me if you would, obviously purchase this and invest in yourself and your skills. I'm here for you. I don't, I tell it like it is. I put my heart and soul into my brand. I think it's something that you're really, really, really going to enjoy. So leave a comment below. Let me know if you're getting this. Once again, it's in the description. I'm also going to pin it in the comment. I'm making this very, very easy to find, and you're really going to have an amazing investment in yourself and your skills. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you soon.